Strong, brave, and wise warrior, and Sang means imitation. Lausha, a vigorous war dance originating from the Maring community, traditionally celebrated victories in battle between enemies, including rival villages or Huns. The Lausa has been preserved as a part of the tradition of the Maring community and often marks the conclusion of significant events or festivals. According to history, it was performed after the Marings won the war against Burmese in the east. Maring people were the guards of the eastern gate against the intruders. The Lausa is an imitation of the exuberant celebratory steps of victory performed by a Lawa, a skilled male warrior of the Maring tribe. Lausa, or Lauwal, is one of the famed traditional dances of Manipur, performed by the Manipur of the Maring tribe. After defeating an enemy, a Lawa engages in spirited revelry, celebrating the triumph in jubilation and energetic movements.
Traditionally, the dance is performed by only one Lawa. Warriors, the Maring ancestors express their courage through victorious shouts during the demonstration of Lausa. And it goes like this. Tik nahade nahade, Maring mairing bade, Nongpok tongak bade, Paigan na chungmuk tha bade, Bambom na ting ting lao bade, Jelaga nungsit bade, Hom laga nungdung bade, Nahom pina kabak hangni. Lausa is performed in a number of events like the Baltungbun, Jimjam, Minpuk, Lamplai, Yakyao, Tilto, Parkyao, etc. On the designated day of the Baltungbun, the Lausa performance starts from outside the two village gates, which are located at the two ends of the village. This Lausa is called Raja Lausa, depicting the entry of warriors into the village after a battle.
The Lawa may engage in the chiral lalhosa, distinct from the regular lausa. The jumping pattern of the chiral lalhosa depends on whether the hand or the pungche is used to sound the pung. Specifically, when the pung is played by the pungche, the Lawa dances on both legs, whereas if the pung is played by the hand, the Lawa dances on one leg. In contemporary times, the proliferation of diverse festivals has offered new opportunities for the resurgence of Lausha, capturing heightened enthusiasm among the younger generation. This dance is performed to the rhythm of folk songs and traditional musical instruments. The moves of the dancers, accompanied by their ferocious shouting, is an imitation of the actual battle fought. The dancers wear traditional war attire, dressed lightly, to allow for the swift, energetic movements crucial to the dance. The traditional shield used by the dancers is the chok, and the traditional dao used is called a shot. Dancers also use spear known as chaipak or kangha. The dancer's dynamic movements is characterized by powerful steps, requiring immense strength and energy. traditional solo warrior performance. The current rendition of Lausa involves group performances at various stages. Lausa dance troupes have been invited to showcase their art at state-level festivals such as Lungaini and the Sangay Festival.
Manipur will now stage.
A big thank you to the talented performers.